Good afternoon. For today's vlog, we're going back to the gym after a 2-month hiatus. So right now I'm just preparing my things and myself. Also, time check, it's 4:33 in the afternoon. So it's still hot outside. It's very hot outside. So this is the full gym outfit for today. This shirt was given to me by a friend. Bought this from TikTok. I'm gonna be using the socks that I bought from the store when we went to the mall. Again, it's my first day back at the gym after 2 months. So I'm kind of nervous but also excited about what workouts I'm gonna do today. It's already 5 p.m. and the sky is still out and still so bright. The car ride to the gym is just 5 minutes, but if you walk it, it's going to take you around 15 minutes, which is kind of good if only the sun isn't too hot to walk around. But with the current heat, I don't think I'd make it to the gym walking, or I don't know, it's just an exaggeration, but it's really hot from where I am right now, and I wouldn't survive walking to the gym with the sun still out. But I'm almost there, so I'll see you at the gym. Arriving at the gym somehow gives me an exciting feeling. I really miss the coaches and staff here. Also, the regulars that I have been friends with because we go to the gym with the same schedule for 3 to 4 days a week. Like I mentioned earlier, there was a point where I stopped working out for almost 2 months. And honestly, I thought I was just resting. But deep down, I knew I was avoiding myself. My body felt heavy, my mind felt cloudy, even spiritually, I felt disconnected. Not because the universe abandoned me, but because I abandoned the habits that kept me connected to myself. People don't talk enough about how movement affects your spirit. Working out isn't just about looking good, it's the energy, it's the discipline, it's the emotional release. It's proving to yourself that you can still show up even when your mind wants to stay stuck. I just want to share that procrastination was the thing that slowly drained me without me realizing it. Going back about procrastination, I kept saying, I'll start tomorrow, then tomorrow became next week, then next week became 2 months of feeling misaligned, unmotivated, and disconnected from the version of myself I actually wanted to become. The hardest part wasn't the workout itself, it was taking the first step again. So here I am making my one day into day one again. And it's never too late to start over, just saying. So going back also to what I felt during the workout and after the workout as I'm editing this video, everything started shifting for me actually. I felt lighter mentally, more emotionally stable, more clear with my intuition, more connected to my goals. Even my energy changed. So that's when I realized, as an Aries sun, movement for me is very vital when it comes to aligning myself with my goals, with my plans, with my desires, with my manifestation. So, movement has been a very critical part of my energy. Sometimes alignment isn't just journaling, tarot, affirmations, or waiting for motivation to magically arrive. Sometimes alignment itself looks like getting up, moving your body, sweating, rebuilding trust with yourself, and keeping promises to yourself again. So, if you've been procrastinating lately, and if you've been feeling stuck, disconnected, lazy, unmotivated, or spiritually off balance, this is your reminder that your life will not change from overthinking it. You don't need to become perfect overnight, you just need to start. So, even if it's uncomfortable, even if it's messy, even if you're starting over for the hundredth time, your future self is built through the small decisions you make daily. And one decision can truly change your entire energy. So I hope you make your today be your day one too. And now that I'm finally back into it, I can honestly say I forgot how good it feels to feel like myself again. Not just physically, but energetically. Like, my brain chemistry finally stopped acting like Mercury retrograde, and I wake up with more clarity now, and I feel more grounded, more present. Even the way I handle stress, it changed. Because when I wasn't moving my body, everything started piling up emotionally too. Small tasks felt overwhelming. I was procrastinating the simplest things, overthinking everything, feeling guilty for not doing enough while also doing absolutely nothing to change it. And that cycle is exhausting. You start feeling bad for procrastinating, then you procrastinate more because you feel bad. It's literally a spiritual attack sponsored by your comfort zone. But getting back into the gym, it reminded me of something important. Confidence doesn't come from thinking about becoming your best self, it comes from proving to yourself over and over again that you can trust yourself, that you can keep showing up, even on low energy days, even when you don't feel motivated, and even when nobody is clapping for you yet. That discipline started spilling into every area of my life. I became more productive, more creative, more emotionally regulated, and even my intuition became stronger because I wasn't constantly drowning in stagnant energy anymore. Your body holds energy, stress lives in the body, and emotions live in the body. I also realized something else. A lot of us are waiting to feel confident before we start. But confidence is actually created after you start. After the awkward first workout, after the failed attempts, after showing up tired, and after deciding your goals matter more than temporary comfort. Because alignment, growth, spirituality, all of that sounds beautiful online, but in real life, it often looks repetitive. And if you're watching this, feeling behind in life right now, I need you to know this. You're not too late to reconnect with yourself, not mentally, not physically, and not spiritually. Your life can shift so quickly once you stop waiting for motivation and start moving anyway. I just got home and right now I'm eating banana. I'm just having very, very light dinner. So I think this rice weighs around less than 100 grams, and I'm gonna eat that with this one. finally settled in here in my room, and I just remembered how good it feels to be able to work out again after a 2-month hiatus. Before I took a pause from going to the gym, I was consistent in working out for almost 2 years, and I was in great shape before, but I'm not saying that I'm not in a great shape now. Compared before, I was in a really good shape, and I'm just so excited to be getting back into the grind again, and I'm just remembering how good it feels to be able to do those workouts that you've been doing consistently before. But for today's workout, I expected to be doing leg workouts, but since I have a friend who was working out with me with a coach, I decided to join them for their workout. So I ended up doing upper body workouts, which is really still good. But to be honest, upper body workouts are not my specialties because I usually do 3 leg days a week, and I work out 5 days a week, so there are only 2 days where I can do upper body workouts. But one of it is back workouts mostly, and the other is just arm workout. But yeah, I just feel so great being in the gym again. So I'm just gonna take a bath and rest for tonight. So tomorrow I'm gonna do leg workouts. Maybe I'll vlog about that too, but we'll see. I'm just so happy to be able to move my body again in a way that would help me keep my body healthy, because my goal entering my 30s is to just live healthily and live happy. So I might also vlog about my leg day workout, we'll see. And if you've reached this part of the video, thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and comment on what thoughts you have for this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.